Hi guys, my new cube is Reach X-Men Tornado version 3. Let's unbox it together. First we need to open it. There's the Rubik's cube. This is setting tools. This is details. There is a packet. And the setting how you can fix it. Let's go move on to the Rubik's cube. Wow, that was very good Rubik's cube. You can feel the magnets. It has top, left, corner, twist. There is the magnets. You can fix them from there. And this is the setting that it's start from 1 to 5, and the base one is 2. It's about how much it's flexible. I put it in 2. Let's do this. Let's see what is my record in that one. Okay. That was so good, so better than my other Rubik's cube. 18, oh, plus 2, 18 seconds. That was good, very good Rubik's cube. And if you want to buy it, it's very good Rubik's cube, and it's cheap. It's not that like Gan expensive like Gan's Rubik's cube. That was good Rubik's cube. Bye, see you later.